Now, the top fight for talent at top financial firms is fiercer than ever. Morgan Stanley is the latest Wall Street bank to boost salaries for junior bankers, and they've done it for the second time in a month. But the $110,000 on offer at Morgan Stanley is really barely a third of what China's booming hedge fund industry is paying. Now, Chinese quant firms are offering top college graduates annual salaries of as much as $300,000. Now, joining us now is Patrick Winters, Bloomberg Finance and Investing Editor. Patrick, and then they say there's no inflation. What are these salaries at firms in China?
Yeah, I mean, it's very, very surprising to see the extent of these salaries. I mean, it's honestly a bull market, right? It's a sign of a bull market. Look at some of these firms. They've been making so much money, and AUMs have been, assets under management have been doubling or tripling over the last couple of years. So I guess 300K is a reflection of that. But at 3 times what Wall Street firms are paying the top graduates, it's definitely punchy. And I guess, what does this show? For one thing, it shows the rise of emerging market wealth, and how that's having an impact on salaries, but it also shows how some of these top Chinese firms can now keep the best graduates in China.
So Morgan Stanley making another raise to base salaries. Will these salary pressures actually keep growing? And are they going after, Patrick, the same juniors?
I mean, in many cases, they must be going after the same juniors. And I'm not sure if salaries are going to rise. I guess, the question is, why are they raising these salaries? Is it about deal making? Is there so much business going on that they have to keep raising them? Is it about the attitudes of the next generation that's coming into the workplace, and whether they want to even do these banking jobs? Or is it just one-upmanship? Between the various Wall Street banks? We'll have to see.